Did you know that the Maranta or prayer plant got its nickname due to the way its leaves fold up at night, as if in prayer? This tropical beauty with its stunningly patterned leaves is a marvel of nature. Its unique nighttime behavior is just one of the many reasons why it's a fantastic addition to any home garden. Not only does it add a touch of vibrant greenery, but it also brings a sense of tranquility and peace. Now that you've been introduced to the prayer plant, you might be wondering how to care for one. Let's dive into that next. Caring for your Maranta is a straightforward process, but it does require attention to detail. Let's delve into it, shall we? First off, sunlight. Your Maranta enjoys indirect, low to medium light. Avoid placing it under direct sunlight as it could harm the leaves. Next, watering. The Maranta isn't very thirsty. Water it only when the top 1 inch of soil is dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common issue with these plants. Temperature plays a crucial role too. Marantas prefer warmer climates, ideally between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They don't do well in cooler temperatures, so keep them away from drafty windows during winter. Lastly, don't forget about humidity. Marantas thrive in humid environments. Consider placing a humidifier near the plant or group it with other plants to increase moisture levels. With these steps, you can ensure your Maranta thrives and continues to add beauty to your home. So, are you ready to bring a prayer plant into your home and start caring for it? Remember, tending to a Maranta is not only simple, but also incredibly rewarding. The vibrant foliage brings a touch of tropical paradise right into your living space. We'd love to hear about your experiences or answer any questions you may have. Drop them in the comments section. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and plant care guides. Happy gardening!